Hi, my name is Beth Gittleman. I am a licensed real estate agent with Bohemia Realty Group here in New York City. And some people want to know, what do you do? How do you go about getting your condo association to make repairs on your condo unit? So the first thing to do is to inspect whether or not the repair that is needed is actually one that the condo association is responsible for. Here in New York City, that's usually a structural building thing. So let's say you're on the 5th floor of a 5-story building and there is a storm, and because of that storm, there's a leak on the roof that enters your apartment. They would be responsible for that. So once you know what the condo is responsible for or not responsible for, then you would contact them. Usually there is something like a managing agent or a point person at the condo association that you contact in these instances. So refer back to when you purchased the property. You might have received a contact sheet from them of who to call when you have questions about this or that or repairs. So that sheet will usually have that information. Contact them immediately and they'll probably give you the process and how that works for your specific condo. But good luck, and that's how you get a condo association to fix your repair in your condo.